Welcome to this Auspex funding tutorial. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to get funds into your Auspex wallet so you can start trading with our AI-powered signals. Let's get started. First, you'll need to obtain USDC on the Arbitrum network. We'll use Houdini Swap for this because it allows you to swap any cryptocurrency from any blockchain directly to USDC on Arbitrum. Open your browser and go to app.houdiniswap.com. You'll see the swap interface with a From field and a To field. In the From section, select the cryptocurrency you want to swap. This could be ETH on Ethereum, BTC on Bitcoin, SOL on Solana, or any other token you currently hold. Enter the amount you want to swap. Now click on the To token selector. In the search box, type USDC Arbitrum. Select USDC Arbitrum with the contract address starting with 0xAF. This is the native USDC on the Arbitrum network, which is what Auspex requires. Next, you need to enter your Auspex wallet address as the receiving address. To find this, open Auspex in a new tab and log into your account. Once logged in, click on Wallet in the left sidebar. You'll see your Auspex wallet section at the top. Your wallet address is displayed here, starting with 0x. Click the Copy button next to your address. Go back to Houdini Swap and paste your Auspex wallet address into the Receiving Wallet Address field. Important, double-check that you've selected USDC on Arbitrum, not USDC on Ethereum or any other network. Sending USDC on the wrong network will result in lost funds. You'll see different route options on the right side. You can choose Private for privacy, On-Chain DEX or Bridge for the best rate, or No Wallet Connect for a simple transaction without connecting your wallet. Once everything looks correct, click Proceed to Swap. Follow the prompts to complete your transaction. Depending on the route you selected, this may take anywhere from a few seconds to about 12 minutes. After the swap completes, return to the Auspex wallet page and refresh. You should now see your USDC balance in the Auspex wallet section. Now here's the final step. Your USDC is currently in your Auspex wallet, but to enable automated trading, you need to transfer it to your trading balance. Find the Trading Balance section on the right side of the wallet page. Click the Fund Trading button. Enter the amount of USDC you want to allocate for trading, or click to transfer your full balance. Confirm the transfer. This moves funds from your non-custodial Auspex wallet to the trading balance, which the AI bot uses to execute trades on your behalf. And that's it. Your Auspex account is now funded and ready to trade. The bot will automatically execute signals based on your settings. Remember, you can withdraw your funds at any time since everything is non-custodial. Head over to the dashboard to see active signals, or go to Settings to configure your position size, leverage, and auto-execution preferences. Happy trading!